Hey dinosaurs and Dancifarians, today we have a box of new sea animals to open. Yes guys, pretty excited about this as I have told you guys that we are expanding our collection, so yes, here we go. Okay, so let's open up our first figure of the day. Let's see. I don't think we need a scissors. What is this? Looks really good. I think we have a basking shark. Wow, looks really awesome. Okay, this figure it's from Collecte. Does it come with any facts? Not really. So you can see this is a beautiful figure with the jaw wide open. So basically basking shark, it's a filter feeder. It takes in all the water and filter out all the food particles. I'm gonna put this on the right hand side. Next, let's see what else we've got. A shark, I think. Let's open this up. Okay, and what type of shark is this? It says tiger shark right over here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and let's open this up and have a look. It comes with a fact card. The tiger shark is one of the most ravenous eaters of all sharks. Wow, cool. Alright, take a look at this. This is a pretty big tiger shark. We do have a couple of other tiger shark figures, but this one is like the larger ones that we have. Let's place this right over here. Let's see what else we've got. Alright, seems like we have another shark or whale. Let's open this up. It's nicely wrapped and protected. Okay, I'll rip this open. Is this a whale? Yes, I think this is a whale. But I'm not too sure what is the exact species or breed of this whale. So let's take a look at this together. It looks like it's a gray whale. So it says Minke whale. Wow, nice. I have no facts about this species of whale, so if you guys know, please comment down below. But this is our very first Minke whale figure. Okay, I'm gonna put this right over here. Okay, let's see what else we've got inside this box. Huge unboxing. And this seems to be a hammerhead shark. So let's open this up together. Alright. Wow. The head looks very interesting. It has like plenty of curves and bumps right over here. So this is not... Oh, this is actually a scallop hammerhead shark. So I think it's based on the shape of his head. So you can see it has this very nice fin. Okay. This figure is from Collecte. I think we can just remove this. We don't really need this tag anymore. Right, there you go. A scallop head hammerhead shark. Scallop hammerhead shark. Nice. Let's see what else we've got. Okay. I think we have one more, which is really big. Let's take a look at this. Wow, this is our biggest whale, I must say. It's a really huge one. It's gigantic. It looks like a humpback whale. Wow, this figure is really heavy. Wow, you can see this is really huge and beautiful. Does it have a name? Yes, it's written right over here. So let's zoom in and have a look at what type of whale this is. Humpback whale. Wow, nice. Beautiful. Our largest humpback whale ever. Yes, this is our largest one. Okay, it comes with a fact card. So I'm gonna open up this fact card and have a look. Okay, I will not throw the fact card away because we can still read them in our future videos, okay? Humpback whales are famous for the hunting songs they sing. Wow, yeah, nice. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Seems like we have a turtle. Okay, open this up. Alright, this is a turtle. It's a Kemp's Ridley sea turtle baby. Okay, let's open this up and have a look. This species is the smallest known sea turtle. Wow. So once again, Kemp's Ridley sea turtle baby. It's really beautiful. The green shell. It's like 4 beautiful flippers. And it's really nice, adorable eyes. Yeah, this is an addition to our turtle collection. Very happy with this. Let's see what else we've got. Wow, another shark. Okay, I'm not too sure what type of shark this is actually. It looks like a great white. Not exactly sure. Let's have a look. Okay, let's see what's actually inside this. Let's remove this tag and see what is written inside. This is a figure from Boli Land. Let's have a look. Okay. Oops. Great white shark. The great white shark grows up to length of 17 to 18 feet and to a weight of up to 3 tons. He hunts on fish, dolphins, seals, and follows ships even into the coastal waters. He can be very dangerous for the people swimming there. The great white shark can also be found in tropical and subtropical seas, but also in the Mediterranean Sea. Wow. Very, very nice fact caught about the great white shark. So once again, let's take a look. The color seems to be a little bit weird because it's like more on the green side, but still a lovely figure. Yep. Let's see what else we've got. Another shark right over here. Not too sure what kind of shark this is. So let's open this up. Okay. Wow. This shark right over here has like spots across the body. So does it say what it is over here? No, it doesn't. So it's basically like a shark, but I have no idea what type of shark this is. I'm gonna look at the list right over here. So I basically have a checklist. So it's actually a bull shark. Yeah, Mojo bull shark. Yeah, it's actually a kind of really aggressive sharks. Okay, gonna put this right underneath the box. Let's see what else we've got. Wow, we have really plenty of new sea animals. What is this? It seems like a manatee. Is manatee and dugong you know, the same animal? I'm not too sure, so I need the help of you guys. So this is actually known as a dugong. Wow. I've actually seen one in my local aquarium. Dugong looks really beautiful. Does it come with any details? Nope, it doesn't. So we can basically remove this. It's a nice figure from Collecte. I think this is our one and only dugong figure. We do have a couple of manatees, but I'm not too sure whether they are closely related. So if you guys know, please help me out down below, okay? Okay, we do have another one, which is a small little dolphin. So let's open this up. What type of dolphin is this? It looks like a bottlenose dolphin. I mean, it doesn't really look like one because the head is actually like puffy and curved. So let's have a look. Beluga calf. Nice. So it's actually like a beluga whale, young beluga whale baby. Yeah. Let's open this up. Yeah, let's remove this tag. We don't need this tag. So really nice. This is a huge expansion to our collection. Let's see whether there are any more figures before we open up this. Yes, I think there's one more right here. Another turtle. Cool. Let's see what's inside this. This is a loggerhead turtle. Yes, our first loggerhead turtle. So let's have a close-up look at this. It's a pretty old figure, 2007 loggerhead turtle. Very nicely detailed. I love the colors. And this is our very first loggerhead turtle. You can definitely take a look at getting more of these turtles. Okay, just checking to make sure we don't have other figures hidden before we open up our last figure of the day, which is a beluga whale. This is a very nice figure, I must say. I'm gonna use a box cutter. Please do not use this, at home on your own. Always have your, an adult to supervise you. I mean, if you are a collector, you definitely do not need help, right? So let's open this up. It comes with a very nice box. It comes with a nice fact sheet right over here. So let's open this up and have a look. This is written in Chinese. The other side is written in oh, it's actually a white whale. It's not a beluga whale. Oh, cool. It's actually known as a white whale. Let's see. Hynix the white whale. So let's see. Let's have a look at the figure first, shall we? Looks really beautiful. Very nicely detailed figure. It has a very glossy shine to it. There's no name written below, but you can see the logo of the manufacturer. It looks really beautiful. But I need to find out, some facts about this beautiful white whale. Okay, let's see. I like to laugh, and I laugh whenever I can. Are you asking me why? Because I'm happy about many things. Okay, when I stopped, the seaweed was still stunned by the whole thing. It's like a story behind this. Cool. It basically says that, this white whale loves to sing and mimic different passengers, I think. Yeah, really cool. I think they're like really friendly and docile sea animals. So I'm gonna show you guys all the different sea animals that we have purchased. Okay, a white whale. We have a bull shark right over here. Okay, we have this gigantic humpback whale. A large basking shark is pretty big as compared to many of our figures. We have a loggerhead turtle. We have a dugong. And this is actually a beluga calf, a beluga whale calf. A great white shark from Mojo. Minke whale, interesting. And this should be a tiger shark, I'm not too sure. Yes, a tiger shark. A new Safari Ltd tiger shark. And a scallop hammerhead shark. Looks really beautiful. I think, and one more. The Cam's Ridley sea turtle baby. I'm just gonna check the box once again to make sure we didn't miss out any animals hidden inside this box. Just gonna do a double check. Nope, everything is in there, so I'm very happy. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll definitely be making more sea animal videos. You can be sure of that, okay? And yeah, thanks for watching this and goodbye.